Alright, so I got bored. This is my son's four-wheeler. The one in the other video that was stuck to the ground. Oh, wait, I turn my music off here. Mute. Oh, mute! Oh, camera. There, I don't want anybody to copyright strike me. Okay. So it's 2005. Yeah. It's hard to say what kind of name this is, but this is some funky... I know it's a Chinese quad, so a Guangzhou Panyu Hunan Motors. There, that wasn't so bad. Burns a little oil, so time for a restore, rebuild type thing. Everything's loose. Oh, no more focus. There it goes. Everything's loose. Steering's loose. It's been starting to take this thing apart already. So like everything's loose. If you look at there's no shoes, no brake shoes on that. Needs rings really bad. Needs a top end. But, yeah, this is my next project. Well, it's good. Doing it on her. Found something absolutely ridiculous. I'm trying to take the wheels off this. So this is a front hub, front brake drum. Goes in the front there. Check this out. See these so-called wheel studs? They are nuts and bolts. Yeah, so when you go to try to take it off, all it does is spin. So here's the back. I'll show you. So, this on the back there, like that, and yeah, stupid design. Still on there, stupid design. So, when I put this back together, I am going to weld those nuts, those bolts, fasteners, or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, that's freaking ridiculous. I mean, come on, man. Make it frustrating. I had to take the big bolt out and pull the whole hub assembly right off to be able to take those off. You think you'll want to just take the tires off, but no, you gotta take the whole drum assembly off. Awesome. Thank you, Chinese four-wheeler maker. Awesomeness. Okay, tires are off. And let me tell you, this thing is worn plumb out. Look at this. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to do that. Oh, and this side gets better too. So we're on this side, checking this one out, and I got some room in here for you. Okay, and angle down. Okay, so I'm looking at it, and hey, look at this. This washer. I don't know if you can see or not. Probably not. But the washer. I can turn that washer. You turn that washer, see? And then, oh, look at that. The nut is loose. The axle nut's loose. So that, yeah. Worn out, I might say. Yeah, she burned a little bit of oil, right? Just, just a little bit of oil. Yeah. Back at her. Some update. We got the exhaust off. He's working on getting the starter off. I don't know if you can see underneath there. He's working on getting the starter off. You going the right way?
I don't know.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Exhaust is not fun. Yeah. So next is engine. Engine on counter. I guess we gotta clean the counter off. Yeah. Need me some stuff. Can't work in the shop if you ain't got none of those. Alright. Okay, here's an update. Back at her. Okay, you in the shot? Okay, you ready? Go! Right there. Oh, wait, hang on. Okay, what size is that?
Size 15.
15. Okay, I'm gonna go 15. Okay, you're spinning on this side. Grab
On that side is at the top and 13.
It's actually 13? Oh, it is a 13. Alright. So that goes back in there. So then we're going to grab 13. Okay, where is the 3/8? That'll turn. Okay, what? Okay, I got the fit all. This is gonna get hard. Alright, engine out and on the counter. This is my goal for today. Okay.
And the oil.
Over there, and over there, here, over here, and stuff. Push it over here to the side and go grab the engine. I got it. Ouch. Stop scratching me. Oh, there we go.
The wrench fell in the oil.
That's okay. Alright, there it is. Up on the counter. That is my goal for today. Is on the counter. Next video, taking it apart. Yeah, baby. Bye-bye. Alright, kind of jumped ahead a little bit. Just torn down somewhat. Lots of funky stuff came out of this. Like bits of goo and I don't know, it's like bits of metal. Maybe from the timing cover. I don't know. Weird. So, got this side all taken down and pistons off and cylinders off and timing is a little awesome. Something's telling me that this rod got a little hot. There's a little bit of discoloration on the rod there. But check out this cute little piston. Oh my god, look at this cute little piston. Oh man, this thing is tiny. So I wanted to measure it. You can buy this Chinese quad stuff online and it's pretty cheap. I think a piston I was looking at. A little bit of wear there, right? This thing was burning voluptuous amounts of oil. If you look here, you can see all this stuff coming off here, all this carbon. Yeah, it's a little on the extreme side. So, let's measure it. See what it comes out to. I got my Pearl Point Princess Auto Special caliper. What do you call it? A 6-inch metal fractional digital caliper. Ooh, so professional. Still got it wrapped in plastic. Yeah, man. Alright, so we're gonna turn it on. Can you see that? Look at that. Yeah, I guess you can. There's a freaking light behind me. Okay, there we go. So, zero it out. Close to zero. Zero it out. I'm gonna measure the piston here. So what I can get is a 47 mil piston. It's pretty darn close. Maybe it's worn down. Oh yeah, it's worn out there at the top a bit. So let's check the bottom here. Oh, it's like it was made for that. Let's see here. 47. I'd say that's the 47 mil piston. There's a couple spots. Yeah, see, this way here is worn down considerably. Yeah, definitely needs a piston. Some rings. Alright. Okay, but isn't that thing cute? Baby little piston. Man, this thing used to take my fat ass up and down the road at 70 miles an hour. I'm impressed. Not bad, not bad. So we're going to turn that off. Okay, so what do we got to do now? I'm very particular about my calipers. And it's going to go back in the bag. Back in the little container. Close it. It was a Princess Auto special, but it cost me a couple bucks. So now what I got to do, I got to get this flywheel off of here. So what is that? What do I need for that? Puller. So I took it off once before. I can't remember how. Can't remember if. What if we try this here first? Oh yeah, just in case you're wondering what I'm doing over here, I got my tool set up here on the seat. I've also got another tool set up here, which I got you sitting on currently. We'll put that just like that. Alright. Okay. Popper. Yeah, that doesn't work. What are your guesses? First try? First try? Boo! Okay, going to the shop. We're going to the bench. Get my others. It's got me some goodies. Now, these are also Princess Auto special, but I believe that these are metric. No, absolutely not. 6 mil. Here we go. 6 mil dur. 1, 2, 3. Let's see how that's gonna come off of there. How in the heck balls am I gonna get that off of there? Alright, I need to think. Need a few minutes. Hang on. Okay, I thought about it. I'm going to try to use my 3-jaw puller. Yeah. I don't know how this is going to work. We're going to try it, though. Holy fuck. Oh, this might work. Oh, yeah, baby. I don't know. Locked in. What was that, 17 mil? That's a 17 mil. 17? 17! I wish it was 17! Oh, like I know what I'm doing. 10 bucks says this is not gonna work. Teeny little 3/8 DeWalt. No, it'll work. It'll work. No, it won't work. Maybe a hammer. Oh. Somebody's screaming at me. Gotta put some juice on her. Alright. Put some juice on her. Fire engine red. Okay, can't swear. Can't swear. Kids are watching, right? Right, kids are watching. Can't swear. Hey, there we go. Like I knew what I was doing. More stuff. More metal. Okay, so what's next here? Timing chain or starter chain? No. Let's see if we can get this guy off of here. Oh, there we go. Boy, I need a starter chain. Whoa. Whoa, what is that all about? There's something missing down there. Big hunk of metal, maybe? I have no idea. Alright. So this is a sprag. This is a sprag. Starter, yeah, okay, so I can go in here. These three guys in here. That guy in there. This guy goes in there. So I'm going to counter. All my stuff. I don't know if you saw the shot of all the parts pieces that go inside this thing. So as tiny as this engine is, look at that stuff over there. We'll zoom in here. Look at all that stuff that came out of there. We got cylinder head. Well, you know, minus the front hubs and the case hubs and the clutches and the flywheel and the transmission pieces and yeah, crazy. All right. Look back down here. Hopefully the light's not too bright. Yeah, okay, so what's next here? Can take these guys out of here. Starter chain pieces. Head to the way. Wish you said is the lonely view. Alright. So timing chain there. I was gonna replace the timing chain, but I'm trying to find kind of on the fence about it now. It's really not worn to the way I thought it would be worn. It's not showing wear on any of the links or anything, and it's not loose side to side or left to right or forward and back. I think I'm going to keep this timing chain. Starter chain. Ugh. Disgusting. I don't know what that's all about. It's all full of like dirt. I don't know how you get dirt inside here, but there's definitely been dirt inside of here. Oh, definitely. Oh, definitely dirt. Okay, well, maybe we'll take this piece off of here too now. I was thinking taking the case half apart to put the timing chain in would be quite difficult. But I'm seeing something new here. Something I never saw before. I see Phillips. Phillips. I see Phillips head here. I wish I was named Philip Phillips. Tell all the people, yeah, fuck you, my name is Philip. Oh, shoot, I swear. Scratch that out. I did not say that F word. Phillips. Big Phillips. Big Phillips right there. It says HW732. I don't know what the heck that means, but we're gonna. Oh, it fits so good. Okay, we're gonna dive right in here. Ho 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 ho! We got one out. We got two out. Actually, I think these must be JIC. Maybe I got lucky. For those of you who don't know what JIC is, it is Japanese Industry, I think it's called. And it is a non-North American Phillips size. So we look at Phillips, right? And you think, oh, that'll be an easy Phillips, right? You put it in there. It's almost the right tightness. But these are the screwdrivers that you'll strip out anything on a Yamaha or any like a Honda or any that part of the world, Eastern world screwdriver. Yeah. I've done that many times. Even with an impact driver, you can never get these out. Oh. Okay. I don't think that's gonna go. I gotta think here. A little more thinking. A little more drinking. So here's where I sit. I can take this. I can tap it. I can make it turn. How in the heck am I gonna get that out of there? Can't go in like this. No, it's gonna break a seal. I don't want to break a seal. Oh, hey. Yeah, man, I don't know. Vice grips. Vice grips. Vice grips. Alright. New plan. Vice grips. Let's see if I can't break this little tab off of here. No, not good enough. A little bit better of a bite. Hey, look at that. Like I know what I'm doing. Right on. Big seal on that. Okay. XX2. I wonder what the heck that's supposed to mean. Alright. So what do we have inside of here? We have... What is that all about? Oh, that's where that goes. Is it? Yeah. Okay, so that is your timing chain adjuster. That's what this guy is here. This big long pin. If you guys can see what I'm doing here. Yeah, big long pin. So there is a hole here in the bottom. So you feed this guy up into that hole. You can see it pops out there, and I believe it goes this way. And that goes up. And then that is your timing chain adjuster, your tightness of your timing chain. That's pretty cool. These guys come up with some weird stuff. Nice and big and long. Oh, there's a joke there somewhere. Take this timing chain off, take a look at it. I don't think I'm going to change the timing chain. I think the timing chain is actually in pretty good shape. I don't think it's loose or broken, or obviously not broken, but it's not loose like I had expected it would be, right? Like it's not loose, but there's some funky stuff in there though. Yeah. Okay, timing chain is out. Put her right here. Okay, so let's see here. How far do we go here? Maybe a little more. Okay, I need to ponder. I need to see how far I feel like going there today. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. Do 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 do. What the hell? Weirdness there. Huh. When the good girl comes One with open heart, set 'em free. Free falling. Oh, email, right? Do, 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 do. Free falling. Okay. There's a copyright strike. Gers. Okay, let's take some case hardware out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 with a burp makes 7. Let's try a rubber hammer. Rubber hammer stick. Fancy either gear came off. All right. That one's kind of, yeah. Hey, there we go. She is separated. Oh, something fell. Oh, I don't want to take it apart too fast because then I won't be able to put it back together. Let's see here. Oh. Crap. Where's the washer from? Oh, it's from here. Ooh, okay. That's okay. Thrust washer. Thrust washer, okay. There's almost nothing inside this thing. That is actually quite amazing. I wonder if I can get this to tap out of here. Ooh. There's the little crankshaft. Bearings are really good. Bearings are really good. Okay, awesome. Put the crank over here. And a bit of a gasket coming off of here. The best part about making the videos is you can look back and say, hey, something doesn't look like it fits there. And you look at your video and you go, oh, look at that. It doesn't fit there because it's supposed to fit over there. Alright. Okay, so gross. Old nasty gasket. Goodbye. I gotta figure out what the heck kind of gasket goes on this thing. Ooh, that bearing. That bearing is missing a bunch of pieces. Never seen that before. Alright, okay, look. Have you ever seen a bearing that's missing a piece of the cage? Hey, look at that bearing right there. On the very top. You see that? It's missing a piece of the cage. Alright. That's the metal that's been floating around. Oh, hey, this is making sense. This must be why this engine, it'll go, and then it'll feel like it's hitting a wall. Bang! And then it'll run just fine. Holy crap. How do you have a bearing missing a piece of the cage? How does that happen? I've never seen that happen before. Look at that again. The bearing is missing the top half of the cage. If you look at it, look very close at it. See that there's a big chunk of the cage missing. Alright, so this was not a waste of time to take apart. Okay, so main Nikes. So main shaft comes out. Main shaft comes out. Oh yeah, a couple pieces. And another thrust washer there. Okay. And does this guy come out of here? Oh yeah, absolutely. Alright. Here's your transmission. Your one gear. Huh. All the bearings feel awesome, except for this one that's missing a chunk. Holy crap. Okay then. Okay, so now I gotta get online and order some parts. I think this is the oil pump. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that gear here. So you got your timing gear idler. Or your timing chain idler right here. Right, that's the idler gear. I wonder if you guys can even see. Or is it all being blurry and stuff? Crap. Stupid phone. Okay, well, that guy there runs off your idler gear. So your crank is here. There's a gear on there. And this guy here is your oil pump. And if you see that, it spins that shaft. There's your oil pump. So this was kind of overdue, I think. So now I have to get that bearing out of there somehow. How do you get a bearing out of a blind hole? Any machinists on there want to weigh in on this? Maybe you know how to get a bearing out of what? I need to be able to measure that too. Well, actually, I don't. I need the ID and the OD, and the ID and the OD are sort of set already. I don't need any of that goodies in the middle. Man, I wish I had some videos of the old Volkswagen I rebuilt. Okay, I need a break. I'm going to go inside, collect my thoughts, and we'll see where we're going next. Because I need to order that bearing, which looks a lot similar to this bearing, or maybe not. Maybe I got to go to a place here in town, get some bearings and some seals, maybe get some numbers off of these things. Alright, awesome. So, here we go. That's second, I guess this is the first one. I started this video last weekend. Alright, first rebuild video. Right, of this four-wheeler. I was thinking just the engine for now, and we'll get into the other stuff maybe next couple of years. There's lots that's got to get done on this, and he wants to get some plastics, and by the time we're done building it, we could sell it and we could go to the next person because he'll be too big to ride this stinking thing. Okay, so now I'm thinking I need some parts, need some pieces. Gotta go online, order some stuff. The only website that I find for this stuff is VMC or VCM or VMC or whatever. And it looks promising. Cute little piston. Even piston rings are like $6. I wish stuff for my Banshee was that cheap. Yeah, I do. Alright. Later, guys. Bye-bye.